morning and Jai Hind everyone. Welcome to Maths online classes. Children, today's topic is place value. We were doing place value and now it's clear for you to write places of the number and place value also. Today we are going to start new topic in place value. Your question for today will be write the place of circle digits. Before starting today's topic, children, have a look on some slides so that your concept regarding place value gets more clear. So, let's have a look. Place value. Today's topic, place value. Children, there is a short story for you. See, I read it out. 14 was a happy number. One afternoon on the playground, she saw a strange and wonderful thing she had never seen before. She sat on one end, but nothing happened. That's a seesaw. You need two people to use it. Call for 4 from the swing set. So here you need two numbers for making ones and tens. And for ones you need only one number. Okay. So 4 is a single number. 4 is ones. And here 14, two numbers are there where 4 is at ones place and 1 is at tens place. Also in this story it is said that for sitting on a seesaw you need two people. On the either side of seesaw, two persons are required. So this 14 who is sitting alone on a seesaw, call 4 for accompanying him. Now children, we move on to our next slide. Here you will see number 57 is written, in which 7 stands for ones and 5 stands for tens. So how many ones are there? 7 ones. And how many tens are there? 5 tens. Now read aloud this number, children. It's 57. Okay. So now we move on to our next slide. Yes. Now this is a practice sheet. You all will practice with me. The first number given to you is 32. Now tell me which number will goes in ones place and which number will go in tens place. 2 will go in ones place and this 3 will go in tens place. 27. 7 will go in ones place and 2 will go in tens place. 58. 8 will go to ones place and 5 will go to tens place. 43. 3 will go to ones place and 4 will go to tens place. 86. 6 will go to ones place and 8 will go to tens place. 15. 5 will go to ones place and 1 will go to tens place. 94. 4 will go to ones place and 9 will go to tens place. 69. 9 will go to ones place and 6 will go to tens place. So this is how you will understand tens and ones. Now you will practice tens and ones on your own. Start practicing it. I hope you all are practicing. I'm watching everyone. So practice it. So children, I hope you all have practiced it properly. Now I will start with your classwork. Okay? So today's classwork, today's date is 8th of July 2020 and today's topic is place value. See children, first thing that I want to tell you, suppose a number is given to you 25. First place is of ones and then come tens. 5 is at ones place and 2 is at tens place. What is the place value of this 5? As 5 is at ones place, so place value of 5 is 5 ones or 5. 2 is at tens place, so place value of 2 is 2 tens or 20. Clear? After ones and tens place, which place comes? After first is ones place, then come tens place, then come hundreds place. O stands for ones, T stands for tens, H stands for hundreds. This you all know. Again we'll revise. O stands for ones, T stands for tens and H stands for hundreds. Clear to everyone? Now you all understood that O stands for ones, T for tens and H for hundreds. Now suppose a 3-digit number is given to you. The number is 353. Now you tell me 3 is at which place? 3 is at ones place, 5 is at tens place and 3 is at hundreds place. Okay? So now what is the place value of this 3? 3 ones or 3. What is the place value of 5? 5 tens or 5. Now 3 is at hundreds place. So what is the place value of 3? 3 hundreds or 300. It's clear to you? So 5 is at ones place. So what is the place value of 5? 5 ones or 5. 2 is at tens place. So what is the place value of 2? 2 tens or 20. Again in this number children see 3 is at ones place. So what is the place value of this 3? 3 ones or 3. 5 is at tens place. So what is the place value of this 5? 5 tens or 50. 3 is at hundreds place. So what is the place value of this 3? 3 hundreds or 300. Now is it clear to you? Children, now we start with our classwork. So open your notebooks children. I hope you all have completed your yesterday's homework. Now take out your notebook and we start with our classwork. Okay? Open your notebook and we start with our classwork. Write today's date. Then you write classwork CW. Okay? Then you give the topic name, that is place value, and then you will write the question with me. Write down the question, everyone. Write the place value of circle digit. See again. Write the place value of circle digit. I, spelling of digit is D-I-G-I-T. Circuit. C-I-R-C-L-E-D. Now children, first of all, you will write places. 100, tens, ones. This is the first number question of yours. 100, tens, ones. Okay? After 3 blocks of yours, you will draw a line like this. Ones, tens, hundreds, draw a line. After that, here you will write ones, tens, hundred. And again you will draw a straight line like this. Okay? So, this side also you write 100 tens, ones. And this side also you will write 100 tens, ones. 100 tens, ones. After 3 columns, draw a line. This side also ones, tens, 100, and after 3 columns, before 3 columns, you will draw a line. Now, your first question is 24. First question is 24. In which is the circle number? 4. 4 is the circle number. So, what is the place value of this 4? You tell me. The place value of this 4 is 4 ones. Yes. 4 ones. Or 4. We were doing this now. What is the place value of this 4? 4 ones or 4. Now, we will see our next question. Question number 2. The number given to you is 63. Now children, what you have to do? You have to write the place value of circle number. Which number is circle number? 6. Yes, 6 is the circle number. So now, what is the place value of this 6? 6 is at tens place. So the place value of 6 is 6 tens or 60. Yes. So 6 will be written at tens place and 0 will go to ones place. Now you can see the blackboard. Now 63 where 6 is 6 tens or 60. Place value of 6 is 6 tens or 60. Now come to the third question. Your third question is 322. Where? Now you will tell me which number is circle number. Tell me which number is circle number. Yes, you are correct. 3 is the circle number. So we have to find the place value of 3. 3 is at hundreds place. 3 is at hundreds place. So what is the place value of this 3? Yes, the place value of this 3 is 3 hundreds. Three hundreds. or you can say 300. Now when we write 300 children, remember one thing, 3 will come to the hundreds place, 0 to the tens place and this 0 again to the ones place. Okay? So 322 where 3 is at hundreds place. So the place value of this 3 is 300. Understood? Now we'll come to our question number 4. See, question number 4 is 214. Now, which number is at hundreds place? Yes, 2 is at hundreds place. So, what is the place value of this 2? Correct, you guessed it correctly. 2 hundreds. Okay, 2 is at hundreds place. So, the place value of this 2 is 2 hundreds. And how to write 2 hundreds? 2 at hundreds place. 0 is at tens place. And one more 0 is at ones place. Okay, children? Now, we'll again revise it. Suppose the first number given to you is 24. 4 is in ones place. So what is the place value of this 4? We have to find the place value of circle digit. So first of all you have to see which number is a circle number. In this question 4 is circle number. What is the place of 4? It is at ones place. So 4 ones or 4. 63. Now you tell me which is the circle number. 6 is the circle number. So what is the place value of this 6? 6 is at tens place. So place value is, guess. Yes, you correctly guessed it. It's 6 tens or 60. Now come to the third number, third question. Your third question is, number given to you is 322. Which number is a circle number? Yes, 3 is a circle number. When 3 is a circle number, now you have to see second thing. 3 is at which place? It is at hundreds place. So now the third thing that you have to see is, now what is the place value of 3? It is at hundreds place. So its place value is 300 or 300. Now come to question number 4. Your question number 4 is 240. Now you tell me which number is a circle number. 2 is a circle number. So what is the place value of 2? 200 or 200. Now when we write it in numerical order, we'll write this 0 at ones place, this 0 at tens place and this 2 at hundreds place. Now children, when you are writing this, what you have to do, you have to keep in mind one thing, that these lines you will draw with the help of scale and color pencils. Okay? So make use of scale and color pencils for drawing these lines and for circling also. For circling also you will make use of your color pencils. Clear? Now I want you all to copy down this classwork in your notebook in a very neat and clean manner. So first complete your classwork questions. After that I'll give you homework questions. So note down your classwork children. Note down. While writing your classwork children, what you have to do? First, you will start with date. Then you will write classwork. Then you will write topic, today's topic, place value. Then you will write the place value of circle digits. Okay. Then you will, this line is already drawn for you. It's a margin line. You will draw a line after 3 columns. 100, tens, ones. Draw one line. Then this side also you write ones, tens, 100 and then you will draw a line. After that, you will write the first number and write the place value of that number. Then you will write the second number, write the place value of that number. Then write the third number, write the place value of that number and then mention the number. Here again you will write the place value both the sides. So we can write place value in the same way. We can write 4 ones also or we can write 4 also. For 63, you can write 6 tens also, 60 also. 322, what is the place value of this 3? It is 300s or 300. So both way you can write. 214, what is the place value of this 2? 200s or 200. So both way you can write the place value. Now note down it in your notebook, children. After writing classwork, I will give you homework. Note down neatly, everyone. After completing your classwork, children, I will start with your homework. I hope you all have completed your classwork now. So shall we start with our homework? Start writing your homework now. Get ready for your homework questions, children. Your homework for today. Write down the homework questions now. Date is 8/7/2020. Now write down the homework questions, all of you. First, you will put the number like this. First, you will write the places 100, tens, ones, and then you will draw a line, straight line like this. Then you will write 100, tens, ones, and again this side you will draw a line. Okay? After that, your first question is 35. Now, which is the circle number? Yes, 5 is the circle number. 35, 5 is the circle number. 5 is at which place? 5 is at ones place. So, what is the place value of this 5? 5 ones or 5. Where you will write 5? At ones place. Then comes your second question. Your second question is 648. Now, which is the circle number? 6 is the circle number. Now, 6 is at which place? It is at hundreds place. So, what is the place value of this 6? You will write over here 6 hundreds and here you write 6 at hundreds place, 0 at tens place and one more 0 at ones place. Okay. Your third question is 29. Okay. And the circle number is 2. Circle number is 2. Now we have to tell the place value of this 2. 2 is at tens place. So what is the place value of 2? 2 tens or 20. 20 when you will write, 2 will come at tens place and 0 will go to ones place. After that, come to your next question. Your next question is question number 4. Question number 4 is 314. And which is the circle number? 3 is the circle number. 3 is at which place? It is at hundreds place. So now we have to tell the place value of this 3. As 3 is at hundreds place. So what is the place value of 3? 3 hundreds or 300. When you write 300, your 3 will come to the hundreds place, 0 at tens place and one more 0 at ones place. So now these are the homework question of yours. Copy it down, children, clearly and draw the line in the same way as I have drawn and make use of color pencil and scale for drawing the line. So children, note down your homework questions properly in your notebook. Write down the question first and then copy down the questions. I hope children, today whatever topic is being taught to you is clear to you, and the topic that we have done previously also, all the topics are clear to you. Children, if you are having any query or any question, you can ask in the query session. Okay? I hope you all enjoyed today's session. Complete your classwork, complete your homework, and tomorrow again we will meet in our maths class. Okay? So till then, goodbye. Take care, children.